Today I'm going to be performing a fuel filter change on the Duramax. Some of the tools I will need to complete this will be a 7mm socket, the plastic retainer clip removal tools, a 1/2-inch socket, or a flathead screwdriver to bleed the air out of the fuel filter housing, a wrench to remove the water in fuel sensor that's on the bottom of the filter. The filter I'm using is a Baldwin BF 9882. I'll also be adding Lucas fuel injector cleaner that will help lubricate the fuel injectors and keep them clean. First, I will remove the 4 bolts with the 7mm socket located here, 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 and here. Next, I will remove the plastic retaining clips with these tools. There's 5 located in the front and 2 located in the rear. There is also one 10mm bolt that I failed to mention at the beginning of the video. So you will need a 10mm socket, and that bolt is located here. Next, remove the water and fuel sensor from its harness. Push down on the tab and pull it out. Then just twist off your fuel filter. Next, you will remove your water and fuel sensor with your pliers or your water and fuel sensor removal tool. Just be careful with this wire. Next, replace your O-rings. When you pull off your used filter, the O-ring that is located here, make sure that it didn't get stuck on the fuel filter housing. The other O-ring is located here on the water and fuel sensor. You remove the old one. Lubricate your new one with some of the diesel fuel that came out of your used filter. That just needs to be hand tight. Again, be careful with your wires. The reason why we want to put this diesel fuel on here is it will lubricate the O-ring as you're screwing it on and keep it from pinching up. So it'll give a little bit of lube. Alright, place your new filter on the housing and get it hand tight. And plug up your water and fuel sensor. Next, we're going to loosen our bleeder screw that bleeds the air out of the fuel filter housing, which is located right here. You can use a flathead screwdriver or a 1/2-inch socket with extensions. You don't need to remove it all the way, just loosen it good. And then you're going to prime it and push all the air out with this button. There you can see the air came out and now there's fuel. So tighten it up. Doesn't need to be very tight. Next, just replace your wheel well liner in reverse of how you took it off. Next, we will reset the fuel filter life. Push the button until you get to fuel filter life. It's this button located right here on the dash. Depress it and hold it. And that's it.